How to reset settings to default in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen after you've logged into your account. Then click on Settings, which is the last option. In Settings, click on Chats. Scroll down and click on Chat Backup. In Chat Backup, click on Backup at the top and back up all your messages, picture, and videos. After you have done that, open Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. In here, click on WhatsApp. After you've clicked on WhatsApp, click on Storage and Cache in here, which is the third option. Then click on Clear Storage. After you click on Clear Storage, it will remove all your data and reset all the settings. After you have cleared storage, you will need to log into your account again. And this is how to reset settings to default in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.